Hello, Juvensio. I am back with another story. So this one looked like it might be fun. I'm not sure. So hopefully you're doing well today. Let's start with this story. I have the Hiccups, written by Anne Harth. This word, hiccups. Oh, do you get hiccups? They're not fun, are they? Okay. Hic. I have the hiccups. They won't go away. Hold your breath and count to 10, Mom says. I take a deep breath. I puff out my cheeks. 1, 2, 3. I count to 10. Chick. I still have the hiccups. Drink a glass of water, Dad says. I drink. The water is cold. It dribbles down my chin. Hic. I still have the hiccups. Eat a pickle, my brother says. I don't like pickles, I say. He shrugs. It will get rid of your hiccups. I take a tiny bite of a pickle. It's sour. I make a face. Tick. I still have the hiccups. I guess I go next door to Auntie Nora's house. Help, I say. I have the hiccups. Lay on the floor, Auntie Nora says. I lay on the floor. Lift your feet. I lift my feet. Sing the ABC song. What? I say. It will work. Try it. I sing my ABCs. Hic. I still have the hiccups. My cousin Salima comes home. She's very smart. She reads a lot. I have the hiccups, Salima. Please help me, I beg. Salima says. Stand on one leg. I do. I hold onto a chair. Now, stick out your tongue. I do. I stretch it out as far as I can. Now, open your eyes really wide. I do, and try not to blink. Oh my gosh, I don't know I could do that. Now, look over your shoulder, she says. I look over my left shoulder. Now, wiggle your toes. I wiggle my toes. I hope I don't fall. I am wobbling on one leg. My eyelids are getting tired. My tongue, get this tongue, that's a weird word, is dry. My neck is sore too. Wait, Salima says as she leaves the room. Don't move, she calls. I don't move, but I really want to. I wait and wait. Suddenly, the door opens. A bright flash blinds me. I put my leg down and pull in my tongue. I blink my eyes and turn my head to the front. My toes stop wiggling. Salima laughs and holds up her camera. She shows me the picture she just took. I smile. I look silly. Yes, Salima laughs. But your hiccups are gone. Wow. So how many people try to cure the hiccups? What is the brother's idea for curing the hiccups? Who was the first person to try and help? And what is the best word to describe Salima? So how many people? So we had mom and dad. She asked her brother, right? She asked her Auntie Nora. She asked Salima. Do you remember anybody else? What was the brother's idea for curing the hiccups? I don't know that I'm sure. Is that drinking the water? Who was the first person to try and help? Mm, that was her mom, right? And what is the best word to describe Salima? I'm going to let you think about that. You'll have to come up with a good word. She was helpful, but it sounds like she's fun too. So what other words can you come up with? Okay, well, that is our story for this time. So I hope you're doing okay. And you're doing some reading, please. That would be good. One book or two books or a story. And you're getting some math done too. I will talk to you next time.